Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the latest Beauty Loop Box for level 2 from Mecca. So let's get into it. Curious to see what's in here this month, or quarter I should say. We got some goodies. The first thing in here is this tiny little sachet from Shiseido. It is their uplifting and firming eye cream. Very small sample, even though you don't really need a lot of eye cream. It would be nice to get a couple uses out of it. It just looks like it's a one-use situation, so definitely give it a go. But yeah, kind of expect this sort of thing in the boxes. Lately, they haven't exactly been pumping out the good stuff. Next, we have something actually excited to give a go. It is the NARS Climax Mascara. It is just a sample size, obviously, but this is definitely being a hyped up mascara and I would love to give it a go. So that's actually pretty exciting to receive in the box because I've always wanted to try it, but I don't tend to buy a lot of high-end mascaras. Like I've got like tons of like gift sizes like this that just come in boxes. But personally, for how much you use a mascara before it dries out, I tend to just stick to drugstore. So when I get like samples of high-end mascaras, it tends to be a bit exciting because I don't really buy them. So it's fun to try. Next we have our little Dermalogica sample. It is the Hydro Mask Exfoliant, which is really funny because I placed an order online to get this box because I don't really live like super close to a Mecca store. And this, like, because you get a free sample with every order, this was the sample I got. So I now have two of them in the same order. So yeah, this is what the sample that I got for placing an order online in the first place. So at least it's something I will use. It's a mask, like I'm gonna use it. So thank God I didn't get something useless as like double up, but yeah, it's funny that I got that again. And the last thing in here is a Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Exfoliating Body Treatment. So it's a one towel. So I'm assuming it's kind of an exfoliating like face wipe, but like for your body wipe. I didn't really know about these. I don't know how far a wipe would go in terms of your whole body or what areas you're supposed to like, you know, focus it on. Perhaps maybe the arms and legs, I'm going to assume. So yeah, I'll give it a go, but I don't know where exactly we are supposed to be using this. I'm assuming like for the more tougher skin, like on your arms and legs, that's like it can actually handle some exfoliating a little bit more than other parts of your body, but yeah. So these are the samples that we got in the box this quarter. It's actually not as bad as like other quarters, I guess you could say. I feel like they've definitely stepped down in terms of the, you know, the juiciness of the boxes. It used to usually be a little bit more exciting where you get like 2 makeup products and it's usually just been one or none. But yeah, at least this one's like a decent sized sample as well as the mascara. The eye cream, not quite, but this body towel exfoliating thing kind of seems like a fun product to try, but not something that I would ever rebuy. But yeah, it's definitely not like one of the best beauty loop boxes I've ever gotten, but it's definitely not the worst either. But yeah, for a level 2, I would say that this isn't like what I would expect from level 2. I would like to think that we would deserve 2 makeup samples and 2 skincare, but I know that skincare is, you know, the current thing and they want to boost their skincare sales because, you know, makeup sales are obviously what are, you know, like what the store is driven with and what people are driven to buy the most. And this is a way to, you know, it's a marketing tool. These beauty loop boxes, they cost less than cents for Mecca to make. Like brands just give these out for free, so it's definitely just a marketing tool to get us to try more skincare products. So I completely understand the logic behind it, but I guess I would love it to be stepped up just a little bit. But yeah, so far like it's not the best, but it's not the worst. It's, you know, it's an all right one. So yeah, let's go with it's all right. So yeah, make sure you give me a comment in the comment section down below. What did you get in your box this quarter? Are you a level 2? Did you get something else What did you get what I got? What did you think of what you got in the box? And let me know if you're a level 1 or a level 3, because I'd love to find out what you guys got in your boxes, because obviously they would be different to what I got. So yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next quarter. Bye guys.